Hello all my happy viewers! Well, this is new. Guys, I know it's been a long while since I've uploaded one of these vlogs, and I do apologize about that. The production's been a little slow. Certain things that we needed for certain projects didn't come in on time, but now we do have them, obviously. Now we're gonna start getting back on track here pretty soon. We finally got a laptop to edit our videos. With that being said, we're gonna start today's video off with some candies and sweets. Now, for those who don't know me personally, my birthday was very recently, and one of my friends, they know who they are, sent me a bunch of Japanese candies and treats in a box. So I promised them a show of gratitude that I would try out every single one of these on camera and post it on YouTube. You know, just as any sane person would. Okay, first one up. Coffee Beat. Miji? I don't know. Okay. Coffee definitely hit me right there. Oh man, that is strong. That is good. Funny story. High school prom, junior year. They gave us coffee at prom. I had about 5 cups of coffee and I was wired the entire night. I'm actually having flashbacks to that night. Good. Alright, next up is something a little more familiar to American people here. I'm 100% American, I don't know why I said it like that. We got here some Pocky, some crunchy strawberries. I've always been more of a fan of like the classic chocolate and the cookies and cream. I've tried the regular strawberry before, but this is crunchy strawberry, so let's see what's different about this one here. Not bad. Can't really taste the strawberry as much as... Oh, there it is. Okay, next up, we got here some... They look like mushrooms. Some Meiji Kinko Noyama. Well, one of my friends said that they were obsessed with these things. I've never heard of them before, honestly. But let's try them out. Why do they have to make things so complicated? Oh, there we go. What is the point of this? Why do they put a bag in a box? It's one of the other guys, come on! Alright, well, let's try one of these things. Pop in some shrooms. Don't do drugs, kids. Okay. That is awesome. I know I said I wasn't going to finish all these in one go, but I'm sorely tempted to try it right now anyways. Damn, these are like really good. Okay, so far these are the best of the bunch. Believe me. Okay, next one. Caplico. These look like gummies, I'm thinking. But I can feel them through the pack and they don't feel like gummies. This is really weird. Why are you presenting it as if it's some sort of like makeup palette? Oh wow, what even are... Is this chocolate with strawberry on it? That's exactly what it is. Honestly not bad though. It's a good mix. I like it. Well guys, that was all the candies and sweets I got in the mail. If I had to pick a personal favorite, it'd probably be these. This is amazing. There's so much chocolate. I'm a chocoholic, okay? And once again, I dedicated this video to my friend who sent me all this for my birthday. I really appreciate the thought that went into this. This is amazing. I'm so happy that you're able to get these for me. I was happy to try them. I'm actually going to look into see if I can actually maybe import some of this myself at some point. Especially those chocolate shrooms. Goddamn, those are good. With that said, guys, this is pretty much the end of the video. I want to let you all know also that we are also branched out, in case you all didn't know. We have a DeviantArt, a Twitch, and a Facebook page. Might be looking into getting a Twitter at some point. I'm not exactly sure where we're at on that. Since we're all stuck at home for pretty much most of our lives at this point, I have a lot of time on my hands for these videos now. Just remember, if you guys have to go out right now, social distance, wear your mask, and always wash your hands. Yeah, I notice I can't stop washing my hands there. The back of them is a little red right now from all the hot water. Good God. I did actually just forget to mention that they also sent me a pack of these lemon sour things. but I'm not going to be able to try those on video because God knows you have to stick those in your mouth and just hold on to them for as long as you can. That is not what she said. Mama ain't raised no pansy. I'm just going to see how long I can ride out with one of those lemon sours by myself. So guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your neighbors. You'll all be happy viewers someday. With that said, see you all later, my happy viewers.